What are you doing?
Oh, hey, Claire. I have to mount this tool to a torque arm, and then I gotta festoon a cable.
And how are you gonna do that?
Well, I grabbed some stuff around here, and I was thinking, yes, it's gonna work. Can I have this?
The clip?
Yes, please. Perfect.
That doesn't seem helpful or safe. So maybe we should try something else. I think Atlas Copco actually sells cable management kits, so we could just get ourselves one of those. They have a full line of cable management products and standard and custom tool holders for proper tool mounting. So I don't think stealing my hair clip will be necessary.
Wow.
We should call our rep.
Call our rep.
We're getting a lot of phone calls from us, but that's okay.